How to make an image black and white in Canva. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can make an image black and white in Canva. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to choose any image that we want to change the color of. So let's say I have this design over here. Let's go ahead and make it black and white. Now, if you want to make your image black and white, you're going to need to do a little editing. So as you can see, it's pretty chromatic right now, a lot of colors. We're going to click on this. We're going to click on Edit Image. And once you click on Edit Image, obviously you can just apply the black and white filter that it gives you. So you can click on See All and all the filters. And once we're over here, you can see just go in mono. And just like that, you can apply all the black and white filters that it gives you, just like that. Or what you can do is you can not go into filters, go into Adjust. And in Adjust, you can just take down the vibrance and saturation to 0, and that will automatically make your design black and white. So that is how you're going to make your image black and white in Canva. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.